o'clock at night. Damn, 10 o'clock at night. Y'all see that shit? A bird flew in my house. Look at him. Look at him. 10 o'clock at night. He keeps landing. Look, 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 look. What are you doing, bird? Look. What? Why are you back in the house, dude? What are you doing, dude? Yeah, no, my roof's... Hey. Dude, you need to get out before Shay kills you. I've never in my life... I mean, I've had a bird fly in my car window before, but that's always been during the day. Come on, dude. You gotta go out the house. Come on, birdie. Come on, out the house. Out the house. You know your way. Why? Come on, dude. What is wrong? Oh, there's something stuck to him. He needs help. Look, he needs help. There's something stuck. That's why he's all messed up. There's something hanging from him. Whoa. Alright, calm down, dude. Calm down. Calm down. There's something stuck to him. He ain't gonna let me. Alright, you're gonna have to let me catch you, or let me get that string off you. That's why he's bugging out. He's asking for help, but he's scared to death. Come on. Get out of my fucking house. Hey, no, do not go in my living room. Do not go in my living room. Dude, seriously? It's a good thing that's ghetto. Good thing I got that blanket up. I keep my air in the... Alright, the string's gone. Come on, dude, out of the house. Let me come out here. Maybe he'll fly out. Yeah, I know my kitchen's kind of ghetto, but it is what it is. Hey! Fly out. Out the door, dude. Seriously? What is your deal, man? Why are you even in here? I'm never going to be able to catch you. Look, there's the door. Go back out the door. Out the door. Alright. I can't do this and record, so... Oh, nope. Out the door. Come here. Ah. I'm not trying to kill you, dude. This poor bird's scared to death. Dude. Okay. I gotta get this bird out of here, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording because there's no way I'm gonna be able to get him out and record. But it's 10 o'clock at night. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. Like, it's not like early morning hours. Hey, get. Alright, let me get off here so I can get this bird out here. But it's my fun for the night, guys. Where'd you go? Oh, thank you. Ha! Peaches! Sorry. Whew, that was my excitement for the night.